it's Sharon
and Sashi,
and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a special guest, Sashi. So in today's video, Sashi is going to do my makeup as a challenge. So the last time si Baba yung gumawa ng makeup ko, and today si Sashi naman. So don't be alarmed if I look so eerie right now at the beginning of this video. Kasi mag-makeup kami, and yeah, I already have my moisturizer on and some lip balm, and I'm just going to ask Sashi if she is already ready. Why is it na wala kang sound? Ganyan lang. Are you ready? Such a weirdo. So first, I'm just going to ask Sashi if she has something in mind na look na gagawin sa akin. Do you have something? So we looked up some photos sa Instagram, and yung napili namin na photo, yung napili ko, or yung atin na photo na susundin is from Nook. I don't know if you're familiar with her, but she is such a good makeup guru, or basta yun, oh my god. So I'm just going to, ayan, para mas kita, I'm just going to put this sa screen and the makeup people following sheet. So before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any of my video. Without further ado, then let's get started. So guys, we are starting. So I'm just going to wear my kitty ears. Ayaw ni Sashi ng aking kitty ears para hindi disturbo yung hair. So ayan. We're ready, and I already prepared my face. Of course, I already applied my moisturizer. Yeah, and clean my face as well. So I'm so excited with the outcome of this face. Oh, it's focusing on you. I wanted to focus on you, man. Para mas kitang-kita nyo kung ano yung pinagagawa ni Sashi. So let's get started! So first, what are we going to do? Are we so close?
Sharon.
Okay. So,
What?
so yun, saan mong gigamit?
Saan akong gigamit?
Yeah.
I think Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Matte Gloss Pose.
I'm expecting that Ate is going to make my eyebrows like curly.
Tingnan ko kay bang
I
eyebrows.
wanted a pretty eyebrows,
Ay,
not
nako.
unlike with last time yung ginawang eyebrows ni Baba sa akin. Oh my god.
Oh my god, you're so red.
You can see I'm that red.
Yeah, bro. Your face is so eerie.
Hindi talaga. You're so like quiet.
Yeah, because I am a quiet person.
No.
Okay.
Hmm.
I think dark me.
Yeah. Weird.
Concealer.
Concealer siya na.
Double to. Concealer ni?
Oh.
Ay?
Stick.
Ito ganun stick. I like this.
You don't open it.
Ah! Oh, then okay, I'm gonna use this.
Now you put the in your hand.
Oh, honey.
It's normal, bro.
Hindi lagi rin.
Because I have seen.
Oh, your eyes are so wrinkly. Are you getting older? Stop
Sabi-
laughing! Di mo ko ano! Crazy! Thank you. And alright. I think okay. Or wait, I don't think I can mic. I think I'll get into this.
So bad.
You know not bad. It's called the truth. And I think lighting. Hey. Want to some t-shirts. Look up. Okay, look at this. The face here. And okay, and this Woo! Okay. What? That's smaller.
You're being so brutal.
Di, Mommy, what about that?
You didn't tell me. You tell them.
Oh, but you.
So she will be using this peach palette from UNDERARM. Ayan, kita niyo. Another.
Oh no, ako nag-bake. Oh, I'm gonna bake first. Look up. I'm baking without a stove.
Sunset.
Okay. Start here. I will start here. Start here ko on.
What?
Kanang warrior, no?
What am I, bro?
Ooh,
Yellow.
yeah, I'm gonna wet it. Ooh, nakasal. Oh my god. Nimot niya akong gamit. Para sa sugar egg.
Sugar egg cake.
Wait.
You solid it in my
I think
eyes.
okay na.
Go.
Look at your
An Egyptian.
more fun. Now close it.
Sabihin ko sa po.
Oh no, I'm afraid it's gonna break. Building.
Gosh, but they are my learner!
Once na siya, but because hindi na maklarinig ka, baka mag eyelashes. I think okay. Gosh. This is our favorite mascara. Sarap lang. Good. Do you do that? You shake.
That's all right then.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mama, ano yung pagkita mo?
Ako, hindi man dyan ko
I
makadugay.
will do it. Okay. You can touch your nose now. So, kami ako.
It's so high. So you're gonna use that one, so eto yun.
Hindi na focus.
Yeah, which is...
Okay na. Oh, you cut it your length.
I cut it my own length. But it's cut it from the inside. This one.
Dancing queen, beyond sweet. 17.
What?
Ayun si Blink.
Yeah, 17.
You do
Okay.
this. For bronzer slash contour. Okay, ganun kasi yung eyebrows. Thank you so much. Okay.
Ikaw din.
Oh, Vice. Vice. I like it. Okay.
So exciting.
Sabon tao.
What are you using?
Caroline.
So I think we are done. Sabi niya, I'm gonna get this because this is giving me a headache. Let me
You
see
wanna
myself. I wanna see myself.
Dun.
Drum roll, please. Oh.
Dili, wala kayo ni kuan ang lashes nimo.
Yeah, but I like my lashes. Oh, I really like these lashes. The lashes is but here's my face, guys. I don't know if you can see. Let's just zoom at it. Finally, nag-focus na kasi kanina I was focusing on Sashi. So, ayan. What do you think, guys? I'm just gonna put it now.
Oh no, the eyeliner is bad! Pati yung eyeliner. Tanong eyeliner mo.
Right there. So, ayan. That is how my face looks like. What do you think? So, that's all. Ayan, I'm just going to quickly do some review on how Ate did on my con. Yeah, lagi. She really wants me to look at the eyeliner. So, Well, so far, yung ano namin, based yung sa inspiration photo namin, so parang medyo na-copy naman ni Ashley.
Medyo nakapit ito na ako.
Yeah, she copied it, like the exact
Pero
color
ko
talaga.
ka ng shimmer.
Okay yung eyeshadow application, but my eye starts to, like, merong dito.
Na water naman yung mata.
Yeah, I have a very, very sensitive eyes, guys. Kaya if we do my makeup, we do it quickly because it is so sensitive. Tapos, nagtitiri eyes. But so far, let's start with my foundation. Foundation looks okay naman. Yeah, foundation looks okay, but my
sa mong nose
area
ka.
is like,
Di na akong fault, nindot to pa.
and then, wow. I have, grabe yung yung bronzer ko, guys. Oh my God, up to here, but
Nindot man! Nindot man more. Oh my God, color.
okay color,
Kasi
but
ako puti kayo.
so, and then the eyebrows, yeah, definitely okay lang yung eyebrows ko
Dili kayo
kasi
nindot, but okay ra.
yeah, okay ra. At least meron akong brows.
Kung baba!
Compare yung yung video namin ni Baba, talaga wala akong brows. And now, my, yeah, that's the problem with my eyes. I'm starting to get very eye now. Especially yung right eye ko.
Mag-focus
With the eyeliner is kind of crooked. Pero okay lang din. Kahit sino naman, pag hindi sanay gumawa, most people are not used to doing eyeliner. Especially if you do it with other people.
Well,
So,
mag-eyeliner ko pag sa una, pag grade 6 na ako, tanan ko na nga tabi season yun, dito ako. Kaya yun, anan ko sa
Okay. Then, that's her comment. So, ayan. So,
same.
she has a lot of comments on my eyes. My eyes are,
Tindot naman.
yeah. So,
Kailan ko sa eyeshadow.
yeah, I really like the eyeshadow. Sana di na lang kami nag-eyeliner. Yeah.
Eyeliner na ko.
Yeah. Maybe we'll do. Yeah, I just wish na di na lang nag-eyeliner. But, I wanted her to do an eyeliner para naman. Yung parang challenge ba? Diba? Kasi pag hindi, it won't be a challenge because I know definitely na challenging talaga yung eyeliner.
Excuse me, challenging. Oh, na. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, dili biya na po on. Biya kayo na fine. Like, seriously?
Oh my God, ganun siya ni eyeliner.
Naaman na bulky. So, dili siya ma-straight. Para sa pikas.
So, ayan. Overall, my lips, okay lang naman. Oh my gosh. But I really don't like liquid lipstick. So, overall, I think okay lang. Okay yung makeup.
Okay lang? Hindi na perfect.
What about my eyeliner? Ha?
Manang dili.
Yeah. The eyelashes na part is okay lang.
Di, sige mo stick
But
together.
My lashes is like I could see my lashes below it. So
Sige mo stick
yeah,
together.
and we didn't put enough mascara. Overall, if I'm gonna rate this look of mine, let me see again dito para ma-rate ko.
Oh, out of 10. Out of 10. 10 ang highest.
Sa eyeshadow, definitely 8, 10 kasi maganda yung maganda yung blending niya ng eyeshadow.
Nindot bitaw di kaayo ang nakakuha ng karang glitter. Not
Hindi
really
na put highlight naman.
Oo, okay na. Naman sa concealer.
And then you did not care on my lower lash
Ako man
line.
nagikuan good. Ako man nag-smudge.
Okay.
Ako man nag-smudge. Ako yan. Ano man?
Galit ko, bro.
Lain kay ka kay did not care niya. Ako pinag...
No, what I mean is like, can you put some eyeliner or something para
Eyeliner sa ubos?
Hold together or
A
something.
waterline.
Like, why is it focusing on you? Focus on me kasi di ka na si my
Di mo
face.
na focus.
So, ayan. So, if I'm going to rate the eyeshadow muna is 8 out of 10. Eyebrow is, for my
Dili mo
standard,
kayo siya kon.
is mga 7-10. The overall look is, I'm gonna rate this 7
7.5.
7 out of 10. And if you're going to ask me if I will be going out wearing this look,
Okay naman. Pwede naman magawa.
but the
Sa
eyeliner,
open
bro,
yan.
pwede
Di
mo
na-
mag-go
ako
out
wala
with this
ng eyeliner.
Yeah, if the,
Oh.
without the eyeliner, definitely I will be going out with this look. Kasi dito medyo. So, ayan mga friendships, we are done with this makeup. And what I could suggest with Sashi is that if she continue to practice doing makeup, definitely my future siya. High makeup kasi for me, maganda yung pag-apply niya ng eyeshadow sa akin. So, one thing lang na kailangan niyang i-practice is applying eyeliner and eyelashes tsaka mascara kasi she is having hard time applying my mascara.
Sa akong own na eyeliner.
What about
and
with
mascara?
other people, diba?
Well, di mo ako mag-makeup artist.
She doesn't want to be a makeup artist, but at least you do makeup on Baba, diba? If I'm not around. So, ayan, I think we are done with this video, guys. It was such a fun video, you know, bonding together with Sashi. I really enjoyed. Oh my God, did you enjoy, guys? Guys. Did you enjoy? Do you? For me, I feel like this is the second time that somebody else applied my makeup, and during sa eyeshadow na part, it is so calming and relaxing. And I feel like going to sleep, naantok ako tapos parang nakatulog ako sa bed. I don't know, that was so weird, but yeah, I feel so good. Ganyan. Sa eyeshadow na part. So, it was so fun for me, and yeah. This is my look. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching us. Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed watching us. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. So we hope to see you on our next video. And thank you always for watching. Bye!